What is up, traders? This is going to be a breakdown on an RBA rate decision and what I'm looking for possible trade ideas after this rate decision. So usually, we prep for the week on what's the most important economic data that stands out that could actually impact and move currencies. So this week already passed, but we had the RBA rate decision. So we did this over the weekends on Sundays. Anybody is welcome to join. Just so that we could brush through these things, just so we could help everybody prepare for the markets as best as they can. So for possible hawkish outcomes, I was looking for 50 basis points or higher for the actual rate decision, and also signals for more rate hikes in the future. I don't want to see them talk about any negativity that comes to growth concerns or any problems that's leading towards China. And the meeting expectations, like this is the number one thing. You have to have the base expectations where the 25 basis point hike was already, the markets has already anticipated that to happen. So 25 basis points would have never been a surprise to the markets. And then for dovish outcomes, if they leave rates the same, they're less aggressive with rate hikes, and they just consistently talking about more uncertainty in the markets. So what happened was that when the rate decision actually happened, the RBA raised it by 50 basis points. So that's very optimistic. That's hawkish, right? It went from 35 to 85, which is like very shocking to the markets. And then when what helps too is reading the comments. So when you're going through the comments, you want to dissect it by seeing if there's anything negative that could devalue its currency. So even though that they're raising rates, but if they're raising rates, say for the only reason why they're raising rates is because they're trying to combat inflation, but the economy, the people, the workers, the economy can't hold raising rates, so we can't be as an aggressive. So even though they raise the rates, that is still a negative outlook for the currency. But we didn't have that here. Like we see that the economy is doing extraordinary. We seeing that they're looking to increase rates. They announced that they're going to try to bring back inflation as best as they can. Everything is pretty much positive and optimistic for the currency. So after we get the fundamentals out the way, we still need our technicals to align. So this was the actual impulse from the rate decision. But later on today, we saw that we started recovering the move. Me currently, I don't see no reasons for AUD to be weak. So like as of right now, I waited until the technical confirms because again, I don't see no reasons for a negative Aussie. And then plus, we want to compare a strong currency against a weaker currency. So what I am trading is the Japanese yen. And the reasons why I see the yen as weak is due for the comments that we had from the governor, wanting to weaker the yen. We see that they're still doing quantitative easing. That is bad for the currency. That's good for the equities, but it's bad for their currency. And right here, the Bank of Japan will help the economy by maintaining aggressive monetary easing. So that's just they're still supporting the economy with printing. So that's bad for its currency. And this is like the second time I believe he said that this week. So we have every single confirm right now for a weaker yen. So this is why probably this week you're going to start seeing pairs like GJ. We're going to see AUD is bullish. We're going to see NZD. We're going to see these yen pairs is going to continue bullish because they're going to be really trading against a weaker currency. So that's another reason. But what I'm looking for now, right now, so I'm looking to take this for an intraday for a swing position trade. I already have my first position is right here above 95.200. So what I'm currently looking for now is just to see like what is price going to do at these highs. That's just my alert going off now. So what I want to see is price remain above 95.600 and look for a support in the lower time frames to take it continuously bullish. Or I'm gonna just wait for any pullbacks within these areas just to get continued longs within these trades, because right now I don't see any reason for AUD to be weak. Like China is opening up. That like weeks ago, that was a reason for the Australian currency to be dovish, to be weak with China lockdowns, just because of how Australia and China deals with their trade. So now China is opening up. That's another reason for Aussie to continue bullish. Their economy is doing well. They're raising rates. Everything is giving us, you know, a bullish currency. So I'm just now, we just have to wait for the technicals align, however you like to make your trades. You like to break and retest, you like the order blocks and the breakouts, you like your fibs. It really doesn't matter how you like to enter your trades, just long as you're in the right direction. And this is what we try to do and help people, is just getting into the right direction. So I'm in my buys right now. I'm just waiting to see more price action confirms just to continue these bias trades. This is what helps me, and hopefully this helps you. If y'all have any questions, join our Discord and just don't hesitate to ask questions.